Hello guys, what a wonderful spring day today it is, and welcome to my channel. This is If Only April channel, the space for DIY project, organization tips and simple solutions that are gonna make your life so much easier. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, it's really fun in here. Today's project is something that I've been wanting to do for so long, but we didn't have a backyard, and now when we finally got one and this is springtime, what can be better than to grow your own garden, right? This elevated raised garden bed. Yoo-hoo, you guys, it's so exciting. I cannot wait. Okay, I cannot wait to tell you about it. Okay, I know it was a bit too fast, but if you want to see the plan, you can find it on my blog, ifonlyapril.com. I'm gonna leave you the link below, and yes, let's get to building. Let's see how I made it. So the first step would be to cut the wood according to the guidelines that I showed you before. If you want to see the guidelines more carefully, you can also find it in the blog. I'm gonna link it up here. The next step is to build a box. It's a relatively simple thing to do. Just make sure that you build it on the even ground, because otherwise it's not gonna work. I used so many screws to attach this box, but I think it was a bit overkill, and you could definitely use less than that. Next thing, we're gonna build legs. You need to make 4 legs by attaching 2x6 with 2x4. Then we're gonna attach legs to the box. God, I just finished it. Almost finished. So now I have to figure out how to make these corners look nicer. This is tomorrow, and today we're done for today.
We're done for today.
Plan was calling for the balusters, decorative, like squares that you put over here, like the column style. But you know what? I decided that I'm not gonna do it because it was like $8 or $9 each, and I was like, oh my god, to spend like $30, like on this stuff, nope. So I'm just made this simple. You see, very simple squares. Yep, and you know what? It works perfectly fine for me because these edges, they're good. You see, these edges. This one is cool, the other one is cool, so we're talking only about 2 extra additions over here.
Doesn't bother you?
Nope, it does not bother me. Yes, so this is almost the final product. Not yet very final, but well. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm so excited about my new garden bed. And what I need to do now, I need to level it up. Hold on a second. So because our backyard is very not even, and it's kind of up the hill, so I have to level up the bed by. Okay. So I need to level up this garden bed, by digging up some holes on the back legs. Let's get digging.
That was scary.
So after all the manipulations, we achieved the perfect level. Yes, so now the water not gonna run into one place and gonna spread out evenly. Yes! Perfection!
Perfection.
Guys, do you think I'm proud? No, I'm not. I am actually beyond proud. I'm so happy. I cannot wait to put the soil inside and start planting the veggies.
I'm so excited! Aren't you excited? I'm so excited I can scream!
Okay, time to get to work. Yeah! So I went to the store, to Home Depot, and I got the peat moss, the compost, the cow compost, the cow shit. Mel, he's calling for this special mixture that you make yourself. It's like 3 parts: part of the McCool, part of peat moss, and part of the compost. But what I decided to do, I just decided to go the easy route, you know, and I just got the organic raised bed soil, which I'm gonna mix with the moss, and I'm gonna mix with the compost, and hopefully something good gonna come out of it. So let's get to work! Yay! That was the word. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you learned something new today and you got inspired to create your own garden. And let's see if my garden actually gonna stand the test of time and if I really gonna grow something. But this we're gonna find out later in my later videos. Yay! You can also find me on Instagram, and where I try to post in my stories the behind the scenes process of what I make and how I make it. So I would love to see you there too.